got to see a great unconventional tribute paid to the kimono by 2.2. Unconventional. Um, we always are known to create like edgy collections, and we would love to hear from you. What was the inspiration behind this show, and why these two showstoppers?
So my basic inspiration,
Thank you. Don't have to take my name.
the basic inspiration for the whole brand is keeping it agender and not waving away from this basic motto that I created the brand for. So, and the kimono being a typical agender garment, I wanted to take that as an inspiration and deconstruct it into our time, into a modern time, and giving it a twist, a sporty twist, and make it more casual and yeah, modern. And why why the siblings are here with me? Because I would say
she's a
they
friend
are
and she wants to exploit us. Say, tell them the truth. It's a media.
they are actually the two people who always pushed me to open a brand of my own, and they both have a very special place in my heart.
You know that we did so that we would come at Lakme and walk for you. For no other reason. हम अपना काम देख रहे हैं.
हाँ, मेरा भला हुआ उससे. So thank you for that. Thank you guys.
Huma, I managed to get a glance of you in the wings before the show started, and you look extremely comfortable in this garment. Normally with Winter Festive, we have, those exotic, heavy lehengas and, the sherwanis and stuff like that. What was it like walking down a ramp for this one, and how do you feel? Like, what are your thoughts on the collection?
Well, the thing is that, I've now known Anvita for so many years, and she has been my biggest fashion supporter, critic, whatever you can call. Like, she would always, like, after any appearance of mine or red carpet, she would look at that picture and call me and say, ye acha tha, ye acha nahi tha, this is what you should improve on. And, so we've always had that relationship. And so for me, today it was a very proud moment. And I was actually more than anything else, more than being nervous, I was very excited that, wow, I'm actually going to be wearing her clothes. And I've worn her clothes, of course, before. But to sort of walk the ramp was, with Saqib was really, really special. And, her clothes are very easy to wear. They're very like how she likes to say कि कोई भी पहन सकता है, whatever age, whatever sex, whatever gender. So I feel she's सस्ता टिकाऊ अच्छा brand है, आप एक खरीदे पूरी family पहन सकती है. So in that sense she's quite a middle class Indian girl. But I think the clothes are although they're very Japanese, but also because I've known Anvita for so many years and she's such a traveler. She has so many influences. She studied in Italy, she's traveled the world. So I feel like wherever she's been as a person, as an artist, she's drawn from those inspirations. And I think it sort of reflects in her clothing. So, yeah, I love it.
That's why the name of the collection is Simultaneity, so that there are too many inspirations coming together and making one at one point of time.
Oh, that's such a great concept, actually. Saqib, what were your thoughts walking down the ramp? Because you looked extremely cool, just like strutting your stuff.
Thank you. You just being kind, firstly. And secondly, I think you use the term unconventional. I think unconventional is the new conventional. And Anvita just gets it damn right. I've known her from my college days. She was my junior in college. At that time, we used to have a fashion society in college where she would design all the clothes back then and even now. And like Huma said, it's even more special for us because we've seen the growth in her. We've seen her travel the world, go do her fashion degree abroad and come back and come out with this amazing collection. So it just feels nice to walk for a friend, and in return, she makes me look cool. That's all I want, yeah. It's simple.
That's great. Thank you so much, guys. I'm just going to open the floor to media if you have any questions.
Hi, congratulations on such an amazing show. Since you're an alumni of Instituto Marangani, I would like to ask you, what is the role of the Marangani in carving such a beautiful career in your life?
So, thank you, Zakir. So I remember my first collection in Marangani was about Indian embroideries because that's what I knew back then. That's the only thing I knew. And since the second collection, my teachers, Diana was my teacher, like the collection teacher, and I owe it to her because she helped me find myself, because since then on I've been sticking to genderless garments and genderless collection, and this whole concept of agender is the new gender.
I think, yeah, that's very liberal of you.
Yeah.
So would you say you found your voice in this
Instituto Marangani.
Yeah, I think I did. Milan, Paris, London. Shanghai.
Do we have any more questions?
What is more? What is what? Can you repeat the question? Sorry, one second. Sorry. Challenging is to walk the ramp, yeah. To be really honest, Salman Bhai is the easiest guy to work with, and I've had a great time working with him. I was a model before I became an actor, so when I got back backstage, the hustle bustle, models running to change into their clothes, I've been a part of that, and it's really nerve-wracking. And I was to be really honest, right before you get on the ramp, there's a slight nervousness, but once you get on the ramp, it's all you, and that's what I did. I just walked down, looked at people I knew, smiled, winked, came back, and then I had these two lovely girls for company. So I don't think this was also very challenging, but in comparison, yes, this was far more challenging.
I give him stiff competition.
Thank you so much, everyone.
मैम मुझे कपड़ों का पहनने का बहुत शौक है. मैं हमेशा कपड़े पहनता हूँ. But experiment करना भी पसंद है मैम. To be really honest, I think I like to dress little edgy and young. और मैं हमेशा ट्राई करता हूँ because लड़कों में ज़्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं होते मैम. टी-शर्ट, शर्ट, पैंट, और ये पहली बार डिजाइनर मिला है एक जो ये एज एंडर क्लोथिंग बना रहे हैं. ये क्या कहते हैं इस नेक को? काउल नेक? हाई नेक. This is called a high neck. So I think I like to experiment, and तो मजा आता है अलग अलग कपड़े पहनते हैं. वरना all the good options go with women यार. You have so many things to wear. We don't. So when designers like Anvita come up and they give us clothes like these, I feel damn good.
Festival, Indian festival.
Attire.
Oh, Diwali. Any day.
Festival attire.
For Indian festivals, of course, मतलब I think साड़ी is very beautiful. मुझे साड़ी मैं बहुत clumsy हूँ, तो मेरा वो साड़ी का pleats की सब गड़बड़ हो जाता है. So I prefer like a nice anarkali.
Thank you so much.
I also love wearing anarkali, ma'am.
Just a request, if you guys could please come to the
हाँ वन मिनट मैम यहाँ पे हाँ 1 सेकंड लेने दो. हाँ